Everybody's tired of the faded out plastics on WJs, ZJs, any Jeep. I painted mine black with truck and bed liner. This is the best way to do it. You take a torch, you can use matte bass or propane, either one. Watch what it does. Brings the life right back to it. You don't want to get too close because it'll bubble and melt it. We're just trying to take the top layer and get rid of it. All we're doing. You can do this with it clean, or you can do this with it dirty. If you do it dirty, when you wash it, you might have to touch it up a little bit. Generally, you don't. As you can see how it just pans right out. And the debris just burns right off of it.